because there will be, I'll announce a ranking who are the number one project, number two project, and number three project in this class, and overall all the three groups I am taking. So try to make your best project, and so that you can modify your project also, and you can compete various hackathons and all these things. So that is the main spirit of this project idea, not about the timely submission, but definitely PCA one, whatever I know, it has to be. I will check. Probably there's a time, still time. PCA one and CA two, it will be around probably 16th or 17th. But we don't take much time, so we have 3-4 days, good enough time. And after checking, I'll announce 1 or 2 days. So you try to do your best version of yourself, and that's okay. Okay. Any other question regarding project? And my thing is, the only we are the 24 people now. Others are there waiting. And another thing is, the prime number program you should do right now. And any problem I can discuss with you. The first problem, the complexity of the prime number generation ON, that is the one of the, you can say, one of the most stupid program I can say. That is the complexity ON. That is, you test the prime number by dividing, by try to divide all the prime numbers before it. Like I always give an example to test whether 17 or 19 is a prime number. 17, we should try to divide already the prime numbers we know before 17, that is number 2. Number 1 is not a prime number, or because number 1 is divisible by 1, so it is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, then 5, 7, 11, 13. So whether the number 17 is a prime number, you should check it with the all prime numbers before it. That program is not given. We check it, make a better program, so that we should check it not only after n minus 2, not only with n minus 2, by root n, square root of n. That will detect the prime number. The complexity also reduce the complexity by O root n, square root of n. Basically O log n. So that is the main advantage. That is the first solution I have already given. Then you run this program. Then another solution of prime number detection by Eratosthenes table, so that make a table, and I have given in a note. So in the meantime, you please do these two program and check that whether it is okay or not. Any questions you can ask.
So,
Yeah. Only
what is the
yeah.
so? What is the actual question of the what
Yeah,
we,
with
what we
question
have to do?
is the question is not question. It is assignment of today's class to detect prime number generation by the two algorithm. You run it on your own machine, and if you don't have to show me, you just run it, and you don't have to share screen, but that would add the bandwidth problem here. So you show it, and if you have any problem, then I can help you. And why you are doing this? Because this is one of the hot favorite program in your coming exams. Because your PCA one, you have to sit for an exam, at the coding exam. There you cannot do the coding on Google Colab. You should practice the client based, like you run the Python 3 program on your desktop under Linux. So is it okay? And you can edit the program with Nano. If that is it. So Colab is very much advantageous because you can get all your code. The code will learn. So you have to understand everything. And I always emphasize that the indentation is the main thing of Python program. The heart of the Python program, indentation should be 4 blank steps, not 2, because 2 blanks may not be that visible. So all your program, you make it with the 4 blank steps. Are you getting it? Any questions regarding this? Shobili, any questions? Anybody? Yeah.
So,
Yes. What's your name?
এক্সামে আমরা কি
Shomu.
লিনাক্সে করব?
Are you talking with your good quality microphone, because echo is coming? Everybody, whenever you want to speak, please talk with a speaker microphone set. Your speech should not come back to me, because your echo, my speech should not come back to me. Are you getting my point? If I speak, that will be the speaker mode, that will come back again to me. That is create garbage. So if you have arrange a microphone, headphone and microphone, you can talk. Otherwise, please type in the group, in the WhatsApp group. I will try to answer your questions. Every question you can put in our WhatsApp group, and I will answer. Thank you.
স্যার বলছি
What's your
আমরা
name?
এক্সামে কি স্যার আই এম সৌমু।
Okay, Shomu.
স্যার এক্সামে কি আমরা মানে লিনাক্সে পাইথন মানে
Yes,
পাইথনে
yes,
করতে
yes.
রাখবো
All
ওটা কি
exams,
লিনাক্সে?
very good question. In your PCA exam and in our semester exam, your collab will not be given. Okay, because network should be off. Even if network on, you will not be permitted to code in collab, Google collab. So you have to practice your exam in client, in the terminal mode. Okay, so that practice you should be always doing at your exam time. And even the placement exam, whenever you will face after 1 year, collab will not be given to you, nowhere. So they will give a platform collab like, but collab have all the built-in help facility that will not be there. So this is same as you working on a Linux machine. Okay, or you can, if you have a Windows machine, you should go back, you download Python 3, and then in the terminal you should be able to run Python 3 and install all the software by pip install. So that is the way. Okay, Shomu, any other questions? You can put your questions in our WhatsApp group also. I can read it from there, and anybody has a good microphone and headphone, he or she can speak here.
স্যার প্রোগ্রামের মানে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা কি বললেন আরেকবার একটু বলবেন?
Program assignment, what I said that the prime number generation program, the PDF file is already given to your WhatsApp group. You run those programs on your own, and you can do it right now in Colab, but better it should be in a terminal mode, whether it is Windows or whether it is a Linux. So try to do it. Okay, that's it. Indentation in your program, in your all exams, it should be 4 blank spaces. Do not use tab. All indentation will be mandatory 4 blank spaces, because it will be clearly visible for you and for examiner. That is number 1. And another write up I already given to you, that every Python program should have a main. You might wonder that Python should not have a main, but there is a lot of bug comes because there is no main. So how we can artificially create it main, like C program, like Java program? I have already given all the examples. The latest, all last examples, I have created a main, and it comes with the if clause. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore, then a loop, then the whole body shifted because it's under if loop. That is the main. So all the main lines of the program should not be at the column 1, because if it's in column 1, it will be automatically executed. So, only column 1, the main clause, if main clause will be there. That is the entry point of your program. So, what I will tell you, so all your programs in the assignments, in your module assignments, and also whenever you are submitting in Google all your projects, and in your final exam, it should have this clause as a mandatory. And another thing you should have, that all definition function def, there should be, after the definition function there will be triple quote, and the description of the function ending with triple quote, that's called docstring. I have already told in the class, that should be the mandatory, so that you know how to make a professional code. Okay, any questions regarding this? One components already you have done, that is a quiz. Okay, so that is a part of your PC1. PC1 will be 40 marks, 10 marks from the quiz, and another 10 marks will be given from your TCA1 project submission through video. That you have to take your own video, create the video by the various online tools. I have told you one such tools, OBD. So you should download that tools and make a online video, so that 2 PowerPoint slides and the project is running. So that is you do and create the video, and all members, 2 members per group, in some groups maybe 3 members, they should show their face and what is their contribution in the project. They should tell the portion of the coding. The coding you don't have to discuss. Only thing, the project is running mode, and you have to tell there should be one key person per project. You decide who will be the key person, who is presenting on his or her laptop, and you will present, and other 2 members will just come and say this portion I have done, and another person this portion I have done. So that is it. It will be around 5 to 7 minutes. You first record it at least 10 to 15 minutes. They will shorten it, the useful portion, create a video, MP4 video, and you can do it through camera also, your mobile camera, in the front screen or back screen. You can. Okay, so there are Sieve of Eratosthenes is a kind of sieve, so that it first check out, you write down all the prime numbers, say 1 to 100. Then what is the first prime number? 2. Then marks all the numbers divisible by 2. That is a sieve, sieve 1, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to say 100, it will be marked out. So remaining around 40, 48 numbers would be candidate of the prime numbers. Then they will mark out after 2, they will mark out the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then definitely 5 number, 5, 15, 20, 25 will be there. Then they will see which are divisible by 5. In this way, they will cut through or strike through the numbers which are divisible by prime numbers beginning with 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then after 7 the next prime number, because 9 is already cut, 10 is already strike through, 11. So this is called Sieve of Eratosthenes. This is one of the oldest algorithm, as old as GCD by Euclid. So this is it. You must learn it. So it will come in various interviews and all. So I have already given the picture of it, and you just Google it in Wikipedia, you will find it. Good thing you have asked the question. That is one of the most efficient detection of prime number. Sieve of Eratosthenes.